Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve cybersecurity with Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, complete guide step-by-step clear. To improve your cybersecurity, begin by understanding the role of the Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, or CISA. Visit the CISA official website to access a wealth of resources and guidance. Familiarize yourself with the key cybersecurity frameworks recommended by CISA. Conduct a risk assessment to identify vulnerabilities within your organization. Utilize the cybersecurity framework provided by CISA as a guideline for establishing security measures. Implement multi-factor authentication for all sensitive systems and data. Regularly update and patch software and systems to protect against vulnerabilities. Educate employees on cybersecurity best practices through training programs. Promote a culture of security awareness within your organization. Develop an incident response plan to quickly address any breaches that may occur. Utilize CISA's cyber hygiene services for ongoing security assessments. Engage with the CISA community for collaboration and sharing of information on cybersecurity threats. Monitor threat intelligence reports provided by CISA to stay informed of emerging risks. Leverage the CISA's vulnerability disclosure policy to report and mitigate vulnerabilities. Consider participating in CISA's cybersecurity exercise program to test your organization's preparedness. Make use of CISA's resources for securing critical infrastructure relevant to your industry. Finally, regularly review and update your cybersecurity policies in line with CISA recommendations. By following these steps, you can enhance your cybersecurity posture effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.